Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to the course of Computer Programming for Beginners. In this course, we will learn about basic programming concepts, basics of C language, computer logic and gates, World Wide Web and HTML. In this lecture, student learning outcomes are benefits of learning computer programming, problem solving approach, problem solving steps, algorithm, pseudocode and flowchart. Okay, first we discuss the benefits of learning computer programming. You may be a good critical thinker. You can develop higher order thinking skills for your practical life. Another benefits of learning computer programming, you can be a better problem solver. Computer programming abilities gives new perspective to problem solving approach, and you can learn new alternative approaches for the problem solving strategies. Learning to code offers career flexibility. Okay, now problem solving approach. Programmer must first understand how a human solves a problem, then understand how to translate this algorithm, a step-by-step approach, into computer readable code. Now discuss the problem solving steps. First, clearly define the problem. Second, analyze the problem and formulate a method to solve it. Describe the solution in the form of an algorithm. Draw a flowchart of the algorithm. Write the computer program. Compilation and execution of program. Debugging and testing. Now what is algorithm? An algorithm is a set of instructions designed to perform a specific task. It is a systematic logical approach which is a well-defined step-by-step procedure that allow computer to solve a problem. Algorithms can be expressed using plain text, pseudocode and flowcharts. Okay, now pseudocode. Pseudo means artificial, so pseudocode means artificial code. It is a simpler version of a programming code in plain English which uses short phrases to write code for a program before it is implemented in a specific programming language. Now discuss the qualities of a good algorithm. Input and output should be defined precisely. Each step in the algorithm should be clear and accurate. Algorithm should be most effective among many different ways to solve a problem. And more important, an algorithm should not include computer code. Instead, the algorithm should be written in such a way that it can be used in different programming languages. What is flowchart? A flowchart is simply a graphical representation of algorithm. It shows steps in sequential order and is widely used in presenting the flow of algorithm, workflow or processes. Typically, a flowchart shows the steps as boxes of various kinds and their order by connecting them with arrows. Now we will discuss the advantage of using flowcharts. Flowcharts are a better way of communicating the logic of a system to all concerned or involved. With the help of flowchart, problem can be analyzed in more effective way, therefore reducing cost and wastage of time. The flowchart acts as a blueprint during the program development phase. The flowchart helps in debugging process. Symbol of flowcharts. You can see the symbols and their purpose on the screen. Terminator, which is used for start and stop. Parallelogram, it is used for input output. Rectangle, used for processing. Arrows shows the flow of data. Diamond box, used for decision making. It is also called one in two out, means it provides one input and two possible outputs. Connector, connecting various parts of program. Off page, on page connector shows continuation of flowchart process to another page. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for watching more videos. and press like button. Press bell icon for notification. Please give your feedback and suggestion for the improvement. Thank you.